So we make our key products and components in the United States. And because of that, we need to use automation to enhance what our people can do. This machine, it inserts lenses into our E4T and our E8T encoder covers. When the products first came out, this process was done mostly by hand. That ended up becoming a problem as we started to sell more of these encoders. We determined that we really need a better, more automated system. So we went to engineering and came up with a plan to design this newer system.
So initially we had a machine that would take a lens and kind of press fit it into a cover. And then we'd have to take that assembly over to kind of another machine where we'd test it. So the first goal was kind of putting those two processes together, save some time.
With that, we still needed an operator to hand load every cover, which worked well for a while, but with the number of parts that we were building, we decided it would be best to automate that part of it too.
From there, it just kind of grew to, okay, now we've really simplified this process where now we're just putting these covers into the system and they're coming out fully assembled and tested. The next level of that would be putting those covers in automatically. And so we identified, well, maybe a robot can do something like this. So this machine takes the lens from a reel, the cover from a hopper. It puts the lens into the cover, creates a cover assembly, tests that assembly with a functional test and make sure everything's working right, and then sorts it into a bulk bin to go into later final product packaging.
Previously, we had to have an operator there for the entire run. Now with this, that allows TJ, who is our main operator, to be able to monitor the machine, get it running, but then he can step away and work on other projects, other orders.
Now we can get like a 10,000 piece order, and then you can walk away, go do something else, because it would take all day to do 10,000 pieces. Now you go over there maybe 2 or 3 times a day just to make sure that the covers are filled. Other than that, it will do everything else on its own.
It's neat to kind of hand off the machine and watch it be used, see how it's working, see operators interact with kind of the different functionality it has.
As a company, automation allows us to do more with the people that we have.